Friends, today we are going to learn about synonyms in English. So, let's start. The meaning of lucky is bhagyashali and the synonym for lucky is fortunate. The meaning of liberty is swatantrata and the synonym for liberty is freedom. The meaning of loyal is vishwas and the synonym for loyal is devoted. The meaning of lively is kriyashil and the synonym for lively is active. The meaning of king is raja and the synonym for king is monarch. The meaning of keen is tikshna and the synonym for keen is sharp. The meaning of impossible is asambhav and the synonym for impossible is improbable. The meaning of inquiry is puchna and the synonym for inquiry is ask. The meaning of jolly is hasmukh and the synonym for jolly is merry. The meaning of joy is anand and the synonym for joy is pleasure. The meaning of jubilant is praful and the synonym for jubilant is joyful. The meaning of idol is murti and the synonym for idol is image. The meaning of idol is alsi and the synonym for idol is lazy. The meaning of insidious is kapti and the synonym for insidious is treacherous. The meaning of indignant is naraj and the synonym for indignant is angry. The meaning of illiterate is nirakshar and the synonym for illiterate is ignorant. The meaning of happy is prasann and the synonym for happy is joyous. The meaning of heap is dher and the synonym for heap is pile. The meaning of heave is swarg and the synonym for heave is paradise. The meaning of help is sahayata and the synonym for help is assistance. The meaning of holiday is avkash and the synonym for holiday is leave. The meaning of holy is pavitra and the synonym for holy is sacred. The meaning of hear is sunna and the synonym for hear is listen. The meaning of habit is adat and the synonym for habit is custom. The meaning of humane is dayalu and the synonym for humane is kind. The meaning of hamper is badha dalna and the synonym for hamper is hinder. The meaning of guilt is aprad and the synonym for guilt is crime. The meaning of grievous is dukhi and the synonym for grievous is sorrowful. The meaning of foolish is murk and the synonym for foolish is silly. The meaning of giggle is ashisht hasi and the synonym for giggle is laugh. The meaning of guard is raksha and the synonym for guard is defend. The meaning of furry is growth and the synonym for furry is anger. The meaning of famous is prasidh and the synonym for famous is renowned. The meaning of feeble is kamzor and the synonym for feeble is weak. The meaning of fraud is dhoka and the synonym for fraud is trickery. The meaning of fascinate is akarshan and the synonym for fascinate is charm. The meaning of fanciful is kalpaniya and the synonym for fanciful is imaginative. The meaning of false is nakli and the synonym for false is spurious. The meaning of energy is urja and the synonym for energy is vigor. The meaning of efficient is kushal and the synonym for efficient is able. The meaning of extravagant is apvyai and the synonym for extravagant is prodigal. The meaning of emergency is apatkaleen and the synonym for emergency is exigency. The meaning of elegant is bhavya and the synonym for elegant is refined. The meaning of earnest is gambhir and the synonym for earnest is serious. Thank you for watching this video. मेरे इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.